All right, hello everybody and welcome back to this video. In this one, I'm going to talk about the exact process, and this is a 5-step process that you can use to build your creative agency to at least $10,000 a month. Or even if you're a freelancer, you can still use these steps to land more high-paying clients and make more money eventually. So this is the exact process that I used to scale my creative agency back in the day to 6 figures a year run rate. This is the exact process my business partner Greg used to get to 35K a month. That's what he did last month with his creative agency. And the same process we also teach to people that we have in our Grow Creatives coaching program. Now, I know that this video might seem like just a pitch fast for that one-on-one mentoring thing. Yeah, my whole goal with this video is not to just like pitch Grow Creatives for you. It's more so just to give you like a simple step-by-step process that you can kind of get started on, and hopefully this gives you some more clarity. So let's get right into my computer. As you can see, I put together this beautiful little graphic in Photoshop. It's actually quite ugly, but it will still serve its purpose. So this is what I like to call the Grow Creatives process. So this is the exact process that we take our one-on-one students through. So the first step of this 5-step process is creating an offer. And basically, with our students, we have them watch our training, they create their offer, they send it over to us for review, and then we give them feedback and help them finalize it. And that kind of applies for all the steps. But even if you don't have someone to help you with this, you still want to have an actual offer. Like most creatives out there, they just have the skill set of editing or filming or whatever it is, and they think that that is enough. But the thing is, in today's day and age, video editing is kind of becoming a commodity. So many people know how to do it, and a lot of people know how to do it well. So you are going to be competing on price if you don't select a niche and have an offer that promises a specific outcome to a segment of that market. So until you do that, you will be a commodity and you will have to compete on price. But as soon as you create an offer for a specific group of the market that solves a painful problem and that is very well thought out, then you can kind of become a category of one and charge those kind of prices that you deserve as well. I see a lot of creatives who are very, very skilled. They are amazing people, but they just don't really know the business side of things. So they kind of get taken advantage of. They don't charge as much as they should be. So this is my hope with this channel partially as well, is to help all of you guys who are in that position. But yeah, so that is step number 1, creating an offer. And you will see how all of these steps kind of tie in together. So the second step is creating a landing page and a VSL. If you don't know what a landing page or VSL is, a landing page is kind of like a type of website that is hyper optimized for getting someone to book a call or to buy something who just lands on it, right? So it's usually much simpler than like a more complicated website or like a portfolio or anything like that. So we create these like super simple landing pages with a VSL, which is a video sales letter on the top, that basically sells our ideal customers on booking a sales call with us. We go over their pain points, we show case studies, we show previous results, we show competence and overcome potential objections on this landing page. So that is the step 2. And basically everybody that you reach out to, and in all your organic content as well, you will be getting people from those places to this landing page. And this landing page's whole purpose is to convert those people from click into a sales call where you can actually pitch them and close them for high ticket deals. So the next step after that is starting outbound and inbound marketing, right? So until you have your offer, you cannot create your landing page in VSL. And until you have your landing page in VSL, it will be much harder to make outbound and inbound convert better. So you can see how these steps are all built up on each other. Now, what is outbound and what is inbound? Okay, outbound is basically when you actually go out there and reach out with cold messages, cold calls, cold emails to your potential prospects, right? Inbound is when you are building more so your own personal brand. You might be putting out educational YouTube videos like this one, or building your Instagram or TikTok or whatever it is, so people can find your content organically and come to you. That's why it's like when people come to you, it's inbound, and when you go out there to get them, it's outbound. That's kind of an easy way to remember it, in my opinion. And here it's super important to actually go into it with a strategy, do follow-ups, track your numbers daily and track your performance. You want to be hitting big numbers, especially with outbound. Like I'm talking, at least 50, 100, 200, even 300 messages a day. You need to have multiple domains. You need to learn how to use softwares like Instantly, how to actually craft emails that people respond to. So obviously, when I say it's a simple process, I don't mean that it's an easy process. There is so much to learn in each one of these steps, but there isn't really that many steps to it. It's just that with every step, there is a lot of things that can go wrong. And that's why I don't want you to feel like, you are failing if you're not getting 10,000, 20,000 months a few days in or a few weeks in, because there is so much to learn here. It's like learning a whole new language from the ground up. So it's totally fine and normal if you are, if it's taking you some time to figure all of these steps out on your own. So that is the kind of step 3, because here we create the offer, we finalize the people we are going to serve. Here we are creating kind of the mousetrap to get them to book sales calls with us. And here we are actually getting that mousetrap in front of them. And from all our outbound and inbound efforts, we are sending them to the landing page. And the next up, this is going to start getting us some meetings. The reason why I'm even making this video is because I just got a message from one of our students, Dan, and he has been procrastinating outreach for months and months. He came to us, we helped him learn all the basics of emails and outreach and all that. And just in his first hour of doing proper outreach, he landed 4 meetings with qualified potential prospects. Organic outbound is not that. Inbound is not that. It's just you need to know how to do it. And also that's an exceptional result. That's why it really pumped me up as well, because I was like, damn, that's amazing. But then this is going to start getting you sales calls, right? And it's going to give you the opportunity to get your offer in front of other people. So then the next step is that you need to learn how to actually sell. Most creative people, they don't know how to pitch. They don't know how to qualify prospects. They don't know how to do the questioning part of the call. They don't know how to overcome objections. They don't know how to take payment. So you need to learn how to actually conduct a good sales call and take someone from not even knowing about you to handing you over thousands and thousands of dollars for your services. And again, this is not simple. It's like learning a new language from the ground up. The first few calls you're going to do, you're going to be scared shitless probably and not really feeling confident. But as you do more and more and more, you get better and better at it. I did hundreds of sales calls at this point, and I would consider myself still not the best salesman. I have still such a long way to go, but I'm still actively learning from other people like David Dre, who's a legend. And by the way, David, the mastermind talk you gave a few months ago was fucking amazing. So I'm still learning from other people and becoming better. Now, the next and final step after that is once you go and become good at selling, you're going to start lending clients. You're going to start collecting cash. But the thing is, once you have more than 2 to 3 clients who are on retainers, work will get quite a lot, and you will have to either stop outreach and selling, or you won't be able to deliver the results to clients that they want. So that's when you need to build out a team, and you need to build out backend systems for content distribution. You need to have the CRM properly. You need to get things more organized. You need to have an onboarding process. Just all of these little things that go in the backend. So that's the next step after that. Once you start signing more clients, you need to start outsourcing things and building out the backend systems and SOPs, which are standard operating procedures that you can give to other people, and that they can take care of the same tasks that you have been doing yourself. And then last but not least, hopefully you have the money back emoji at the end of this, horribly painful process. Because I don't want you to have any misconceptions. Going through all these 5 steps, it takes a lot of effort and it takes a lot of sacrifice to become good at it. But trust me, it's worth it in my opinion. I never regretted going in this path of entrepreneurship. I learned so much, and I become so much better at all of these things. So yeah, it is not an easy journey, but it's definitely worth it. So just to recap the Grow Creatives process: create your offer, choose the target audience, solve a problem, create a landing page and a VSL that will convert people into sales calls, start launching your outbound and inbound campaigns. Learn how to sell really well so you can actually convert the people who will come to you as calls from your outbound and inbound efforts, and then build systems in the backend so you can handle more clients and scale the business, and then collect the money bag emoji at the end and live your life and get freedom and all that stuff that you want. I don't know what it is you want personally, but whatever you want, you can have it. It's just you cannot have everything at once. But yeah, so I hope this kind of clears up the process of like, Vince, how do I actually go about this? Like, what are the steps? I hope this gets you some more clarity. If you enjoyed it, drop a like on it. If you want one-on-one help, you can check out the link in the description and apply for Grow Creatives. It is application only. You cannot just come and give us money. And also we reject 50% of the calls. And even if you do get a call, doesn't guarantee that we can help you. We only work with people who are, in a position where they, are ready to be helped, and that we feel confident helping as well. Ideally, you should have some sort of an idea of the market you are working with, and ideally you should have a couple clients, like 1 or 2 at least, that you are working with. And then it's much easier for us to help you scale from there. So either ways, if that's interesting to you, check it out. If not, no worries. And I have another video coming in the near future about finding leads and sending out messages. So we're going to go into some of the nitty-gritty stuff as well. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.